Hi, this is Gayla with FunnelEnvy. Today I want to show you how to find the FunnelEnvy snippet in the FunnelEnvy application. Let's get started. When you first log in, you'll be taken directly to the campaign's dashboard page. From here, click Org Settings in the left-hand sidebar menu. The FunnelEnvy snippet, or FunnelEnvy Script, is right at the top of the page in this box. Highlight and copy and paste the FunnelEnvy script into the head of every page on which campaigns will be running. This will include things like redirect pages after a form submit, or a thank you page after somebody purchases a product. It's important to place it as high as possible in the head to avoid any content flash. As you can see here, I've included it right after the meta tags. If you have any problems finding the script or installing it on your site, reach out to your customer success manager. They'll be happy to help. Thanks.